Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix horizontal lock causing video jitter on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the camera settings, and here you guys want to make sure that if you go to the video, that the horizontal lock right here is disabled, only if you're recording some fast-paced action, and because the gyroscope compensation can occasionally stutter. So if you're recording some crazy videos that are very not steady, and you move your phone like this for an example, then of course it won't be as stable as it was if you just moved your phone like this for an example. So these are two different motions. That's why you need to make sure that if you enable the horizontal lock right here, that you hold your phone somewhere like this. As you guys can see, everything is just twitching around. We still got the same FOV, and as you guys can see, it looks like this. Now I'm gonna stop the video and I'll show it to you. So as you guys can see, now it's switching basically, and yeah, that's why you need to disable it if you're recording some fast-paced actions. But if you're recording it like me, then what you guys can do as a last resort here is update your software, because it might be a software glitch. So scroll down, go to software update and click check for updates. As you guys can see, now I am on the latest version because it's the One UI 8.5. But if you're not on the latest version yet, then I recommend you updating it, because it's a freshly new phone and you want to keep it updated to the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.